Yeah, I'm hitting record now, brother. Now, hello everybody.
Kill me.
It's what? No, please don't. It's my birthday, 4th of July, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of fireworks.
It's not your birthday.
If they come out, yeah. It is.
Die, Molly. It's your birthday.
Yeah. This is kind of cool.
Film the fireworks.
You know what?
Half
We're
the
gonna film the fireworks.
Half the people that watch this are like,
Nunny. What do you? Okay, this is the first.
Monetization.
Terrible lighting. Oh, right there. Crap. Yo, brother.
Suck at filming.
Brother. Oh, crap. I didn't see that coming.
And they don't stop covering it.
And they don't stop coming. And they don't stop coming. And they don't stop coming.
Definitely.
Oh, crap. Brother. Oh. I got that good. Did it? Oh. Oh, man. I missed that one.
You're like, it's like aimbot. You immediately flick to something. You immediately flick. You shoot someone. You immediately flick to the guy behind you.
Yeah. Well, Oh. Right. Oh. That was tight. That was tiny.
I just saw something.
Yeah, me too. I guess while there is a fireworks, we will be talking, and these fireworks keep juking my camera. Okay, I'm gonna really stare. Do you just want to talk about dumb crap and memes right now? Oh, wait, no. That was lightning, I think. No, that was not lightning. That wasn't lightning. It was fireworks, but
Me and two.
there was none. Oh, crap. I'm not good at filming. I'm sorry. Oh, right there, maybe? Is
No,
that it?
just like move the camera around.
There's one right there. I guess. I don't know. You want to talk about dumb memes and stuff? You probably can't see me right now, but whatever. How long is
I'll
this
take
video? This video has been going for 2 minutes.
And I already want to die.
Was that what?
Lightning, you fool.
Lightning, yeah, but that's a couple of miles away. Oh no, that was that lightning?
Saxton Hill.
Was that lightning?
I bet no one's gonna get what TF2 is, so I'm just gonna say, hey.
I don't think that's lightning.
No one knows what TF2 is, apparently.
Maybe that isn't lightning. Maybe it's a bunch of fireworks going off at once.
Yeah, that's totally real.
Okay, whatever. Don't be mean. Hey, they're doing the fireworks over there. You probably can't see them, but no. Okay, I'm zooming you into absolutely nothing. Oh, God. Hey! I got that one. Good job.
At least I didn't die.
Good job, Max. Oh, yeah, this is when they come on. Oh, yeah, brother.
What? That does not sound
brother.
right at all. What you just.
Mommy. Okay, whatever.
I'm gonna freaking jump in the lake.
Nope, that was lightning.
Me and the boys looking for beans or two.
Me and the boys looking for that Gucci lightning. Look at that
I
lightning.
literally jumped to light.
Is that lightning?
I was gonna throw my can in the lake, but I realized, hey.
I think that's lightning.
Yeah, that's lightning.
That is?
That's lightning.
That doesn't sound like lightning.
Lightning, sometimes lightning does not make noise. No, lightning sounds like this. Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Do you legit want me to put on a video right now where it sounds like it's just a big boom?
No, lightning's a car. You're a lightning queen.
Shut up.
How'd you not get it when I went yeah? Lightning McQueen.
Just stop. How long has this video been going? Oh, 4 minutes of absolutely boringness. Okay.
4 minutes.
Great.
I was about to say something that will trigger half of the people. What? No.
You know what? Just stop talking.
Stop doing
Oh.
that guy.
Yeah,
I think I'm blind.
I think I'm dead.
Well, watching this in VR is just like,
Wait, no, I'm not dead yet. I'm about to be though. I'm just saying.
backstab. 28 stab wounds. Where's the firework? There's a knife that gives you 28 stab wounds. Shut up, Aiden. Nobody asked you. Riley.
Maybe if I put the... Hold on. Guys, give me a sec. I will do greatness to the world.
Greatness.
Crap, never mind.
Greatness to the world.
Whatever.
And the flashlight turns on straight in your
Should I do
eyes.
another video now?
No, you
No,
gotta
the
keep
same
going.
video. No, I'm stopping.
No.
Goodbye, guys, and go do another video.
Bye.